नमस्कार, टुडे इज 22nd डे और आज हम लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे टू रिड्यूस दी वर्जिनस फैट फ्रॉम आर फ्रॉम आर विंग्स बिहाइंड द नेक और शोल्डर का। सी जब हमारे को बहुत फैट एक्यूमुलेटेड हमारे नेक पे होता है तो वी समटाइम फील पेन ऑल्सो और स्टिफनेस ऑल्सो वी फाइंड। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो वेरी बेसिक एक्सरसाइज, आई हैव केप्ट सम ऑफ द प्रॉप्स। जैसे see this is the ball, we'll start the warm up with the ball। see सबसे पहले पैर को slightly wide रखेंगे, we'll keep hands here and swings। go inhale, breathe out, inhale and breathe out, go 3 and breathe out, go 4 and breathe out, go 5 and breathe out, go 6 and breathe out, and 7 breathe out, and 8। see I have performed 8 counts, but this is very simple exercise। even if you perform like 16 or 32 counts, it is easy, you can easily perform this all the counts। up next would be wide your leg, hands up and see one side, 1, yes, your ball would be above to your head, and side 3, yes, go 4, yes, go 5, yes, go 6, all right, same manner you can change other side, 6, 5, all right, 4, yes, 3, yes, 2 and 1, change। now hold it here and swing, go 1, see you have to swing till last, twist your elbow, yes, go say first side, Rico, feather, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more and 1 more, change। ये हो गए 3 sets of exercise with this। now we will uplift small this a wiper rod, और wiper rod को आप ले सकते हैं, और you have some थोड़े से लंबे वाले sticks that also you can use। इसमें हमें क्या करना है, सबसे पहले we will keep slightly gap between our hands और सामने की तरफ fold करेंगे। this will be not down or neither up, it will be straight from the shoulder, and see go 1, go 2, yes, go 3, yes, go 4, yes, go 5, yes, go 6 and 7 and 8, change। as I said, when I perform with the ball, you can perform like 16 or 32 counts also, because this is very simple exercise, but this impact a lot to reduce your bulginess। so अब आपको turn करने हैं and up, see 2 and swing up, go 3 and go 4, yes, 5, yes, 6, 7, 8 and change other side, go 8, yeah, 7, yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, change। see I don't have some lengthy sticks or some rods, तो मेरे पास इतना ही था। so I can demonstrate you some sort of exercises। if you have थोड़ा सा lengthy you can perform much better। तो सबसे पहले इसको कंधे के पीछे रखेंगे, हाथ हमारा 90 डिग्री के पोस्टर्स पे ही रहेगा और हम एक तरफ डाउन होंगे। go 1, go 2, yes, go 3, go 4, yes, 5, go 6, yes, go 7, yeah, go 8, another side, go 8, yes, go 7, go 6, go 5, go 4, 3, 2 and 1, change। see this I have performed like first left side and then right side। after this 8 each side you can perform like alternate basis। see 2 like this way, 3, yes, go 4, yes, go 5, go 6 and relax। see again you can perform some like 16 or 32 sets। all right, now थोड़े से पैर को वाइट ही रखेंगे, अपर बॉडी को थोड़ा डाउन रखेंगे और स्विंग करेंगे। go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all right। so ये बॉल और ये रॉड के साथ ये एक्सरसाइज हो गए। अब हम फ्लोर पे बैठेंगे और we'll sit on like dog posture See, keep your body straight like me, right? अभी आपको this would be straight, your leg would be also straight, right? And अभी आपको एक हाथ को अंदर की तरफ स्विंग करके लेके जाना है और इसको आप की तरफ स्विंग करना है. Go 1, see, 2, go 3, let's go 4, go 5, go 6, and same manner you can perform from the other hand. Go 1, yes, go 2, go 3, go 4, go 5, go 6, and relax. So these all exercise we perform with lots of support. So as I said before also, you please increase the number of counts. All right. So let's we go for the next set. Right. हम सबसे पहले बॉडी को साइड रखेंगे. Right. Keep your hands like this and see ये हाथ वापस इधर आएगा और ऊपर की तरफ स्विंग होगा. Right. Go. See, you stretch up. This will not go here. This will go up. Go. 4. Look at my leg. You find comfortable. Make your posture straight. You take support like me. And here. Go 5. Go 6. Go 7. Go 8. And after this, you change other side. And you can perform the same exercise. See. Here. Go 1 and up. Go 2 and up. Go 3 and up. Go 4 and up. Go 5 and up. 6 and 2 more. And 1 more. Change. Alright. After this, you turn around. Follow the postures like me. थोड़े से बॉडी को अप रखेंगे इसमें और इस पोस्चर पे ये अप एंड स्विंग. अब हाथ को इधर से लेके आएंगे. स्विंग. Go here. Go swing. Here. Swing. Here. Swing. See, this way you can perform from the other hands. Go 1. Yes. Go 2. Yes. Go 3. Go 4. Yes. 5. Go 6. So this is the set. After this, आपको साइड प्लैंक एक करना है इसके साथ जो हमने कल भी किया हुआ था. Remember, the side plank is basically to reduce your side fat. This also helps you to reduce certain posture, but the core impact is at the side. So we have to do more side plank. Go 1, 2. Keep your body straight. This will not go down. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Change. Same way we will perform from other side. And here we go. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, ये होने के बाद आपको बिल्कुल अपने बॉडी को फ्लैट रखना है. You will be here like this. हाथ को सामने रखेंगे, right? और आपको चीन को भी सामने रखना है और हाथ को बिल्कुल खींच के रखना है, right? अब देखिए पैर बाहर. My leg is open towards the floor. I will fly and I will stretch my hands like this and down. Go up and down. Go 3 and down. Go 4 and down. Go 5 and down. Go 6 and down. Go 7 and down. Go 8 and down. Go 9 and down. Go 10 and down. So this exercise you can perform at least in 2 to 3 sets. And ये कोर होने के बाद एक कोर हमारा sit-ups के साथ होगा. You can carry ball, you can carry some cushions where you can find some comfortable space where you can hold both your hands together and see. You just need to keep your body up in 60 and you have to swing like this. Go 2, swing like me. Go 3, go swing like me. Go 4, swing like me. Go 5, swing like me. Go 6, 7, 8. Alright, so this is the set which can help you to reduce your bulginess fat, और आपको ये कम से कम to get the better result, you perform at least 15 to 20 days. You will definitely get reduce your fat which is deposit your side wings, your back side and near to neck. So with this, I'll see you tomorrow with some new sets. Thank you.